What's up, guys? Gonna venture out onto a bike ride here shortly. A little photography mixed in. Gonna be using the Canon EOS R basic lens. Nothing special, but does the job. Still figuring out how I want to go about transporting this thing around on my bike, but it's gonna be a trial and error process. Usually what I've done is just the backpack, but figure out some kind of deal where I can put it on the bike somehow. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting to see how this plays out. I'm gonna do some more POV style photography videos, but I'm not sure that it's always gonna be on the bike. But yeah, like I said, probably all won't be biking. Some of them will be like walking at night downtown and stuff. I think it would be kind of a dope concept. I got a lot of cool places in mind. Checking it out. It's like 5:30 right now. Probably catch some sunset on the way back, which will be dope. I'm gonna shift to a time lapse here until I get to my first destination. Giving Cali vibes a little bit. You can probably hardly see it, but I don't know, there's some people like rafting over here. They're about to do a cool ass raft. See if I can snap a picture. So just got to West River Parkway. Nice biking road right along the river here in Minneapolis. Right behind me is, I don't remember the name of that restaurant, but cool spot. This road goes for a while, so.
Oh yeah, it shouldn't, but
there's quite a bit to see over here. So, see what we see. Go back to the laps for a minute. I'll see this bridge, and it's dope, but I never think to stop. So this looks like a long ass walkway that walks all the way out there. If you can see, you'll be able to see in this picture. Right now I'm coming up on a super
sought after, well-known place in Minneapolis, Mill Ruins Park, one of like the historical monuments of the city. You guys will see what I'm talking about in a minute. It's a freaking cool area. So there's some like cave history on the side of the fence there. Some posters. I actually have one of those. I was able to come up with that. Super bumpy right there. I hate riding on that. But I was just here the other day. Coming through here, checking it out. This is the way you get to the historical monument area. I think this is blocked off right now. Construction. Fun little hill bomb. This is the Stone Arch Bridge. Super popular. I'll check that out in a minute. Keep buzzing through here. Yeah, they got some kind of a construction deal going on here. It's like a... Oh shit, what is that? I don't know what the hell they're doing. Here's like some history, some old photographs of the area. This is what this entire place used to look like here. It was like a big structure. Now that all that remains is like this tunnel right here, which I'm about to show you guys in a second. So I'm basically gonna do like a quick, just gonna do a run through. I'm gonna insert some of the, so I was just here the other day, so I'm gonna insert some of the pictures that I took. Here we go. Entering the Mill Ruins historical area. Here's some more history. Minneapolis Underground timeline here. See one of the tunnels over there. Some more ruins. Get a little closer here. Check it out. It's amazing how many of these original buildings they've renovated now into like museums or condos, or this one's sealed up right here, you can see, but comes all the way over here. I just made a cool edit of this area. I'm gonna link it right now so you guys can see that. That's on my TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, this is a super cool area. Little lookout right here. Usually you can see people looking down at you, but we got like a little waterfall deal over there. You can see what this used to kind of be. Super cool old brick. We got one tunnel here, one tunnel over here, Stone Arch Bridge, and then two more here and there. And I would have loved to explore this place a few years ago. I think it was demolished in 2004 or so. Kind of gives you an idea of how long it takes for something to start to look like this. But I don't know, I have no idea what these are, but as this entire thing goes through, I'm gonna make some cuts and insert a lot of the pictures that I took here the other day. See, you guys can see those too. So, all right, I'm gonna cut out and go to another place here. Right in front of me is the St. Anthony Falls Lock and Dam. Super cool view of the city, and the dam is like 100 feet deep or something. I was just here like a few days ago. I made another cool edit. I'll insert that as an overlay and I'll put a link to it so you guys can check that out too. But I'll probably come back here on another ride and check this area out. But what I'm about to do is show a little cool time lapse crossing the walking bridge. So you do a little people watching. Super busy time of day right now, so see what it has to offer. Coming up on this absolutely beautiful area. This is like the there's like some electrical building right here. It's basically like the St. Anthony Falls observing deck or whatever. So I'll show you guys through here. Some incredible views of the city here. I've taken a ton of pictures here. Take some more tonight. Russian. You can see the very top of
US Bank
Stadium and a couple of those historical buildings over there. Wow. I've taken quite a load of pictures from this bridge too, because this is the 3rd Avenue Bridge. They're reconstructing it. It's a full demolition and rebuild is what they're doing to it. So I'm gonna insert a few pictures, include a few of my favorites from that right here as well. Check those out. This is probably one of the best Minneapolis views you're gonna find. Not a lot of people know about this spot. Freaking awesome. Such a beautiful night for it too. I was like right there where that deck is. And it was during a work day. So there was a crane operator in this crane right here. And he noticed me taking pictures. So he brought the crane over and dropped this thing right below my camera. So I was able to get a couple of some amazing pictures with the crane and the city in the background. I'll make sure to include those too. I think this is a good place to end the video for the night. I don't necessarily want to make it too long. Good watching distance for you guys. So got a lot more in store here. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm gonna add all the links to my TikTok and Instagram and all that good stuff in the description. If you have any questions, just leave them down for me in the comments and I will be checking those out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna get back on the Bianchi here, venture back to St. Paul, but probably have this posted, have another POV and a lot of other cool concepts in store for you guys. So stay tuned. Peace.